Hi class, Mrs. Trevort here. We are going to talk about the next book we are going to be reading in our class. So we just finished up with A Study in Charlotte. That was a really fun book, exciting book that kind of tackled more of the mystery genre. But we are actually going to continue to use A Study in Charlotte within our next unit. And I will reveal what the plans are for the next unit on the next video. But I would like to introduce to you our new book. It is called Tiger Lily. It is written by Jodi Lynn Anderson. It's a really exciting book. It's really fun. And there are a lot of elements that you will see as a crossover from Study in Charlotte to Tiger Lily. Now, they're completely different books, completely different genres, but we are going to be drawing some comparisons, some similarities, some differences between these two books as we read Tiger Lily. I just recently finished Tiger Lily, and I'm really excited to share it with all of you. And one of the reasons I'm so excited is because it is diving into a story that I liked when I was little. It was one of my favorite Disney movies, and it was called Peter Pan. Now, in that show, Tiger Lily is a very minor character, but within this book, she is the main character. So as I said, we will be diving into the similarities between these books. As you are thinking right now, I want you to start to think about what you think these two books could have in common. And what are the similarities? What are the genre crossovers? Be thinking about that as we are going to start reading Tiger Lily in class the next time we meet. Have A Study in Charlotte in the back of your mind as we begin reading Tiger Lily. So right now you are going to be doing a quick write, which you will need to be handing in before the end of day. And as I already talked about it, I wanted you to be thinking about what these books have in common. I want you to write about that. I also want you to, I already told you it's kind of based on Peter Pan. So what are your guesses about the plot of Tiger Lily? And then what are some questions you may have about A Study in Charlotte or a Tiger Lily? So before you read a book, you would do this in elementary school. A lot of the times the teachers would ask questions to the class before they even started reading the book. You would look at the cover, you would look at maybe the first page or two and the art within the book. You would look at the title of the book, and you would already start to make guesses of what you think that book is going to be. And that's what we're going to do now. So you've seen the title. I've already let you know a little clue that it does have to do with Peter Pan. And now I want you to start to ask questions. So we just finished A Study in Charlotte, but there still might be some unresolved questions that you have from that. And now we're going to be starting Tiger Lily. And I want you to really start to use your brain to make guesses and to make inferences about what little information you have. That makes reading more exciting, but it also makes reading more impactful, because if you're getting questions answered along the way as you're reading, then you will remember the subject matter even better. So I want to make sure that you are always asking questions. That's part of learning, is asking questions. And it's okay to ask questions before you even know what's going on. And we don't know what's going to be going on in Tiger Lily, but that's okay. I want you to start to ask questions, because the questions that you're asking very well could be helpful in upcoming assignments that we have based on the book Tiger Lily. And it will be helpful in your comparison of A Study in Charlotte and Tiger Lily. So that's what I want you to get going on, is writing a paragraph. It can be longer than a paragraph, but it has to be at least one paragraph. And remember what paragraph is. It's 5 to 7 complete sentences that make sense and they flow together, and there is a beginning, a middle, and an end of the paragraph. So make sure that you complete your paragraph. And of course, proper spelling and grammar is always required. And I am really excited to get going on this next book with you. So if you have any questions, please put them in your paragraph because we will be answering questions throughout this unit. And I would love to use some of the questions that you all are asking right now. So I look forward to this unit with you, and I'm excited. We're going to be reading Tiger Lily.